Here's the problem with AI agents today. Have no memory. Every time you open a new chat, the AI starts from zero. It doesn't know what you did yesterday. It doesn't know what anyone else is working on. This is a nightmare for running a business. Paperclip solves this with heartbeats. Heartbeat is when the agent wakes up, checks what's going on, reads its notes, and then acts. Between heartbeats, the agent is asleep. It's not burning tokens. When it wakes up, it remembers everything. Because Paperclip stores all the context in files. Who it is, what its job is, what it's working on, what the goal is. This means your agents get smarter over time. They build up knowledge, remember past tasks, know the project history. It's the closest thing to having real employees who show up to work every day. Here's another huge feature: budgets. Every agent gets a monthly budget. When they hit the limit, they stop. Full stop. No more surprise bills. No more runaway loops burning $500 overnight. You set the limit, Paperclip enforces it, and it tracks cost per agent, per task, per project. A goal: each agent is expensive. Each task burns the most tokens. Each project is over budget. This is stuff that real companies need to survive, and Paperclip gives it to you out of the box. Let me show you a real example of how you could use Paperclip. Say you want to grow an AI community. Real one, like the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's what you do. You create a company in Paperclip. You name it AI Community Growth. Mission is simple: the community to 10,000 members and give them amazing value every single week. You hire your CEO agent. The CEO reads the mission and starts thinking. The CEO says, we need a content team. We need a social team. We need a research team. We need a member success team. The CEO hires a content director. The content director hires a blog writer, a script writer, and an email writer. The CEO hires a social media director. That director hires a Twitter agent, a LinkedIn agent, and a short video agent. The CEO hires a research director. That director hires an agent that scans for new AI tools every day. Watch what happens next. The research agent wakes up at 9 a.m., scans the web for new AI tools, finds 3 new ones, writes a report. The report gets passed to the content director. The content director assigns one of the tools to the script writer. The script writer writes a full YouTube script about the new tool. The script goes to the email writer. The email writer turns it into a newsletter. The Twitter agent turns the newsletter into a thread. LinkedIn agent turns it into a post. Short video agent pulls the best quotes and makes shorts. All of this happens in one day, while you sleep. While you're at the gym, you wake up, you open the Paperclip dashboard. You approve the post, you hit publish. That's it. That's a content machine running on AI, coordinated by Paperclip.